everybody, welcome to the Texas Welder YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to do the basic lesson of TIG welding, and I am going to do 2F position fillet welding. Filler metal I am going to use today ER70S6 carbon steel. Well, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I have my test piece ready right here. Today I am going to do same technique, work in the cup. When you work in the cup guys, you have to touch right here of your ceramic cup, just like this. Do not touch right here on your base metal. You have to keep touch this part of your ceramic cup. Alright guys, right here I have my first pass put on. I'm gonna put the next one top of that. Right guys, right now I have my second pass put on, and I'm going to put another one top of that. Alright guys, right here I have 3 passes put on, 1, 2, 3, and the rest I'm going to do 2 more stack beads right here. And when you do stack beads, always you have to put the first bead right here on the bottom, and then the next one. Alright guys, I got done today's lesson. Right here you can see clearly what I did. Right here my first pass and the second one and the third one. After that I did stack beads. Right here my first one and this is the second one. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Thank you for watching.